we're going to draw something big, cute, and a little silly. Can you guess what it is? Yup, it's an elephant. Get ready, because this elephant is not just any elephant. It's going to be super fun and full of colors. So stay with me till the very end to see how amazing it turns out. And don't forget, I'm waiting for your drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. You'll find all the links in the description. Maybe your art will be in one of our next videos. Oh, and of course, don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell so you won't miss what we create next here on ColorRhymes. Let's start drawing our cute elephant together. Woohoo! If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Now it's time for the best part, coloring! Are you ready to bring our drawing to life with beautiful colors? Stay with me, because these colors are gonna make everything look super fun and amazing. Let's see what magic we can create together. Let's start coloring! So far, make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. our super fun elephant. Have you ever seen such a cute elephant before? Hee, I just love it. But don't forget, I really, really want to see your amazing drawings too. Send them to me on Instagram, Facebook, or by email. All the links are in the description. Maybe your art will show up in our next video. And before you go, don't forget, subscribe, like, and tap the bell so you won't miss any of our next colorful drawings here on ColorRhymes. Can't wait to draw something new and exciting with you again soon. Bye!